opening this Spanish pack. Right now I'm in Tenerife. Let's see what I get. Pink Coke cards. I don't know if that means anything.
What set is it, Elijah?
Destined Rivals. One from the back. Let's see. Energy. They're not cards.
Sea Total. Pichu Dieco. Yanma. Lapras de Misti. Cueva Granito. Ampharos del Team Rocket. Opagon Mascara Sintanito. Slugma Dieco. Reverse Kangaskhan. And your last card is a Rapska EX.
Oh, okay, I got a pull today. And by the way, that was my dad recording.